Hello friends, and today I will be showing you how to do the experiment number 5, which is JavaScript DOM elements and events. We write the function. First one is writing a function that accepts a string as parameter, the longest word within the string. Second is BMI calculator. Um, BMI calculator. Okay, all this. Then third one would be flower garden. Okay, this one. After that will be the weight initiator. The weight initiator, whatever. Then the coin flip. The coin flip is at random. Then the pizza order form. Then after, yeah, that's it. So then the last one is a pizza order form. So we're going to start. So this is my code where I've just entered my weight and my height. Okay. So get BMI, it shows underweight. Okay. So now if you, so we open head, then we open script. In script, we type all this function calculate to extract the data from the input box, where weight is passed float. All this is basically getting the code for weight and the height by document.elements by ID. DOM elements and events. Okay, so this is, so BMI is equal to weight divided by height into height. Okay, so that is the BMI. If BMI is less than 18, then type is underweight. If BMI is, oops, sorry, if BMI is, if BMI is greater than 25, okay, so it's overweight or obese. Now score, document.get elements by ID score dot inner HTML equal to BMI. Document.get elements ID type dot inner HTML type. Now we'll close the script. That is the JavaScript. So basically it's JavaScripting totally here. Then body, calculate a body mass index. Okay, all this field set calculating now. So we calculate. So we type text weight input, then we input the height in meters, then we input the weight, then we get the BMI. That is the button one click. So when you click it, it comes. Okay. So that is the text height. Okay, all this. Now in paragraph we write your BMI is and the score, whatever score do we have right now. Break line, your body type is span underweight right now. Okay, so uh, just like that. Now we go on to the coin flip. In coin flip, see when you flip it, it shows tails, as you can see here. It shows heads or tails. Flip, flip, flip. It's totally at random, so whatever you want, you can just keep like clicking it. It's totally at random. As you can see, it's flipped tails, heads like this. Heads, okay, head, title, all this. We'll write body. In body, what you do is we write heads or tails. Okay, that is this heading, heads or tails. Then we divide it into two. Heads and heads is the image. Button equal to flip. So flip. Okay, button ID is equal to flip. So flip now, what it does is it basically randomizes the next move. Okay, it randomizes the next move. Then paragraph heads total. This is the result which is going to show. As you can see, span ID is num heads. Okay, tails total. Span ID num tails 27. Right now the mark is showing. So if you keep flipping, this keeps increasing. See, span ID num tails 31. So then again we span it. We script again. We use script JavaScripts. This document dot get elements ID flip. Then we attach the event handler to the button. Get element ID. Get element by ID flip. Add event listener. Click flip function. And all this math floor, that's basically to do the maths calculations and all. So this is a code. If you can see, document dot get elements num heads in a HTML, document dot get element id num tails in a HTML, l is equal to t num. Close the script, close the body, close the HTML. That's done. Now we go on to flower. In flower, what happens is basically the number of rows what you want. Okay, let's put 5, and the column let's put 5. Okay, so plant garden. So this is what happens, 5 into 5, and it's totally at random as to how many pictures of plants you want to put. Script again we open, we add a function grow, we add image. This is to add the image, and then the plus equal to is to calculate the randomity. uh, Row is equal to pass in same thing rows. Then for columns we get this, then we do some maths, that is for I equal to 0 I less than row, all that. For j is equal to 0 j less than row column. Math dot floor, document dot get elements by id garden inner HTML, sorry, inner HTML. As you can see over here, um, yeah, so all this will be done. After that we close the script, that is a JavaScript. In body we type h1 flower, okay, here this one. Then we go on to div rows, text id rows. We input type as text, okay, so that we can type whatever we want in that. Then we do divide equal to garden. Garden is where we get three, yeah, three rows. Not three rows, sorry. This is the image, okay. So this is at random totally. So now if you just plant the garden once more, this again it comes over here. So here it's planted again. 5 into 5 25. So another 25 is planted. So that's the same. So now here, yeah, that's it. So then we close br, close div, body, HTML. That's it. Now for pizza, what we do is number of small pizzas we want 10, number of media we want 5, and number of we want 2 large pizzas. Tip is we can put it anything like first, okay, we'll put 15 for now, calculate order. So the cost of the order is 3,509 as you see here. So each pizza should be around the following assumptions. A small pieces, yeah. So small is as you can see here, it's 100 rupees. A medium pizza is 200, and a large pizza is 400. So as you can see here, what we do is first we pizza order form, this one, the H1 we do. Then the field set. Field set is basically just puts it in a field format. Okay. Then the table, put it in a T body. Tip, tip should be in a radio button. So you put it as input type is equal to radio. So then again same thing, radio value 15, tip check, okay, 15%, then 20%, all this, and then submit button. Finally we do calculate order, submit button. So now what we need is paragraph. Cost of order span ID equal to price, so rupees 3,509. This is showing right now. Close the body, sorry, close the paragraph, and then the close the body. This is nothing but entering the string where entering the string which is whichever is like longer. Like in this like web development tutorial, it's showing us development is the highest. So we type Karunya, sorry, one second. Okay. Karunya University is the best college in the world. So now we do get string, longest string university. Same way we can type like dead zombies. So zombies will be the highest string. Type my name, so it will be like Daniel. Okay, so Daniel is the highest string. Then one more. Um, Jesus Christ. So this would be Christ would be the highest string. Open with head script. Then what happens? Function long word. Then this is just a script where the JavaScript is being run. The same thing. Then txt box inner HTML script head body. In body, we go to label, enter your text, input type text, txt box. Okay, then label this is to break the line. Then inputting type is button, of course, to get the value. Um, then get string one click long word. Okay, just one second. So longest string is Daniel, as you can see here. Close the body and close the HTML. This is where we calculate the, like if you type 65 kgs to lb, calculate, the answer is 143 pounds. So this shows in pounds. How do you get that? We use the JavaScript script text.javascript function convert where check is equal to document dot get elements by data if is in all this stuff, data is passed in. This is the code. Document dot get elements by id to index dot value, return value if index is equal to 0, all this. Then else if document. So basically this entire thing is JavaScripting and all the calculations that we need and that we require. Body is so now then we close the script, okay, over there. Then now the body is field set. We put in the field set thing, so that's why you can see the this one like a table format thing, form format. They are also this one also the pizza one which we did. This web weight one is now we convert it. We click convert. We put it as type is equal to text. We select id from and to. The button on click. Sorry, button on click. Yeah, calculate. Span id is answer. So answer is this one right now. Then field set and we close it. Field set body and HTML and we close it. So this was it, friends. So this was the JavaScript DOM elements and events. Thank you.